We are Motilal Oswal Securities team, and we are here to present the Indus case study. Just to give you a brief, Indus is a fast-growing consumer goods company, and currently the company is facing certain challenges related to operational supply chain, decentralized infrastructure, competitive issues, and they are also trying to understand the changing customer behaviors in challenging business environment. As a part of growth study, company is also focusing on new acquisition and increase in the revenue by 20%. At the same time, company believes technology as major ingredients to drive the business forward. Now we will go through the projects to address the problem statement in the case study. First one is the big data. We will create, in the big data, we will create one data warehouse system which will be updated with real-time transactions and customer behavior data. We will develop an analytical tool for customer requirement analysis based on customer need and time, the stock availability analysis based on the customer requirements and time, resulting in the forecasting of the sales and stock availability across all the locations. So the innovation is the last mile customer behavior and forecast of intelligent decision making. Next one is the machine-to-machine communication, in which we will be implementing infrared detecting system at all warehouses, which will help us in reducing the human errors and also in generating the reports to monitor the wastages and transportation cost. The innovation with the elimination and reduction of uncontrollable human or natural factors. Next is the data center transformation. We will be focusing on green IT by implementing in-row cooling system to reduce the hotspots and hot swappable UPS devices to achieve on-demand expandability, hence reduce the data center operational cost. This will also ensure consolidation of data center and better monitoring through centralized dashboards. The business service management, we will improve IT operations and processing by implementing BMC tools, which will help us to track the performance of vendors and hence can be very useful in vendor consolidation analysis and better monitoring through online dashboards and scalability operations. In the private cloud technology, we will be focusing on optimal server utilization by putting non-critical servers to public cloud and hence achieving the better TCO. This will also work as a disaster recovery and BCP for the existing data centers. In the business productivity and BI, in this part, we will build customized communication portal containing the chat, messages, and integrated telecommunication, which will be accessible through all devices, and hence giving the flexibility to access the portals by own devices. It can be taking the BOID as a next step. In last one, enterprise security. Security is a major concern.
1 minute.
Security is a major concern to facilitate anywhere access to the employees and retailers. We will deploy the checkpoint SSL VPL solution, which will be policy-based access, and hence ensuring strict compliance and risk management norms. Just to summarize quickly, we aim to deliver the cutting-edge technology by implementing BI tools, consolidation of data centers, and scalable auto processes by green initiatives. Thank you.